Okay. Talk about love. Man, I told him let's talk about love. Certain things I have to get out of my chest, but as we do it in this mic. I'm scared to love now. I done broke a couple hearts, what does karma say? I remember you to swear that I would never date, but I remember love's a feeling that you can't escape. So if it catches up to me, then I'ma let it play. They say I'm toxic, if I'm nice then they would never stay. Escaping logic every day, that's why they always fade. We in the game, I'm the controller, I'm just pressing play. What is love? Thandimizwe ngavale. What is love? Thandimizwe ngazibe. What is love? Thandimizwe julega. What is love? Thandimizwe kumba phansi. What is love? Thandimizwe ngavale. What is love? Thandimizwe ngazibe. What is love? Thandimizwe julega. What is love? Thandimizwe kumba phansi. I could never love another like the way I love her. Even if I got another, she don't matter to me. I can handle different women in my life, baby. I can be with you and her, baby. But I promise you, I only treat you different, baby. And for that, I'ma cut them off for you, baby. I'm a lover boy, I'm certified, I'm Drizzy, baby. I get happy when I'm with you, you my finest lady. Love is rare, love is scarce, love is hard to find. Love is cruel, love is painful, love will turn you blind. If stealing hearts was a crime, I'd be doing life. Every girl I ever had will forever know me. I'm not cocky, I won't gain nothing. I need no validation from you, I won't gain nothing. You don't have to love too much where you're not thinking properly. This shit get dangerous, some people cannot take emotions. Man, I'm teaching you some game, you gon' learn to stay the same. She bringing love to the table, I get happy, she the best. I get her, I'm with her, menginaya ngivele ngrest. Ngiyajabula menginaya, she the best. What is love? Thandimizwe ngavale. What is love? Thandimizwe ngazibe. What is love? Thandimizwe julega. What is love? Thandimizwe kumba phansi. What is love? Thandimizwe ngavale. What is love? Thandimizwe ngazibe. What is love? Thandimizwe julega. What is love?